Huh. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Why haven't I uploaded in a long time? Because we went on a vacation for 3 days. Yeah, boring. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting a solo survival world with everything just normal, 4 chunks, I guess. And then the only thing that I really change is show coordinates. Okay. Look and sub or something. Okay, so it's finished loading. Finally. This spawn is actually quite a weird spawn. Okay, so first thing you need is sheep, of course. I'm just gonna be focused today on getting bed so I can sleep for day 2, maybe. Ooh. Hey, sheep. Don't worry, even though it's different color, I can use dye. Big brain time. Also, where is her holes? Is that something in the ocean there? I'm gonna have to remember that. We're in a field too, so that's gonna help. I can set home nearby my spawn. I'm going to get some wood. Let me turn it down again. Where's thingy? Is it over here, maybe? Thingy. Alright, so after I upload the video, I will check the coordinates and look into the ocean from there. Might see the thing, maybe. Or maybe didn't just load in properly. It's one of those two. I'll get some gravel while I'm here. Flint can be helpful if I can get some. Or did you get any flint? Yes, you did. Okay, that's all I needed. I'm thinking of a good area to, like, make my house area. I'm thinking there in the flat area. Okay, made it out, okay. Oh, there's a village! Oh, there's a village! Oh! I am going to this village. Look, if I do stuff that PewDiePie does, don't tell me that I'm copying PewDiePie. Like, sometimes you gotta do some stuff that he did. Okay? Nothing, no Gucci loot. Anything here? Alright, I'm gonna pause the recording and play it once and I see something good in this village. Okay, guess that I just found. Okay. That was super weird. Okay, so I'm mainly getting bookshelves from the librarian's place. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, wait, I just went downstairs. Okay, Ian bad. Hey, so we got some books and I'm gonna go to bed. Okay. We got our bed. Then you mind it down. Just so you know, there's no hardcore, okay? Oh, double. Ooh, what is this? What is that? Is there even a single chest in this village? Hopefully there's gotta be some chests in this village. No. No chest equals no village. Any villager. How are you still sleeping? Oh, this house is a bit big. Oh, you went in there. Double door. Right? Hey. This is to find coal, to find more stuff, Hopefully 4 will be enough. I don't want to... I'm just building a little thing for now, okay? Okay, so I was adventuring out and I saw a zombie with, I think it was diamond armor. It might have been, he might have had diamond armor. I want to get him. No, I don't. I think it was just a gold helmet. Still, might be able to get his gold helmet. Yes! He dropped it. Let's go. That was a bit scary. Hey! Well, we got some armor already. Storage. Okay, so guys, I have been a bit busy with the house. And I sort of worked on it a little bit. I still have to do like 1 more higher after the 3rd. So go 4 high and then the roof. I'm gonna get some food. Boy. Okay, 2 raw mutton. That's actually quite good. And you know what? Did you hear me, piggy pig? Look, I did not kill pee poo poo poo. You don't run away from me. I am still on level 1. And there's a lot of stuff nearby me, so I think the place where I put my house is a good spot. I'm gonna make this epic gamer jump. Ah, hey. Put that in there. I wanna get cobblestone from the village. Actually, no. So then we craft a furnace to cook our food. We need coal, however. I can, should I get charcoal? Charcoal might be a good way to do it. Coal, I got 2 oak logs and used one as fuel. And we just finished up our meat. So now we can get some good stuff. And I think now is about the time when we can end the first episode of Solo Survival World. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to do some stuff between episodes, and I will show everything that will happen after I go to bed here, because it's going to get dark soon. That will be it for now. So if you enjoyed the video, this is like the time when I just talk to stall maybe. So if you enjoyed it, smash on that like or something. And yeah, it's literally nighttime. Okay, so that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed it. I have a lot of pieces of cardboard around me for my little recording area, which I got set up a few days ago, and that is going to be it. Okay, lick and sub question mark.
Yeah, boy.